This is a quick demo of OptiMonk, which is one of the third-party tools that the Planet 14 is recommending for this assessment. You can see, of course, some of the requirements here on our Google spreadsheet, but I'm going to show you a little bit how it works in the backend. So this is the OptiMonk dashboard. Each NRO would have your own. Here you can check if your code is properly installed, remembering that this is implemented through Tag Manager, so you can choose where this is going to display on your website, if you want to specific pages or not, in which domains. There's also the configuration that we can do in Tag Manager. Here you can create and see the campaigns, which are basically the pop-ups that you're creating. You can see the status, the devices, and then some data about impressions, conversions, and the conversion rate, and of course when it is created. So I'm gonna enter in one of these. Let's create a new one. So basically we are here in the campaigns mode. You can select a predefined design, or you can select the goal as well. So you have a few models and inspirations that you can use. Side message as well. You have the nanobar, which is a smaller, more minimal version, and you have also full screen pop-up. Each one of them have, of course, all of these designs, but you can also start one from blank. If you just scroll down, you will probably find here the custom one. So as soon as you select, you can create and give a name, select the website that you want it to display. And these will drive you to the drag and drop editor, which is quite easy to use. You have several elements that you can customize, image, text. You also have an HTML block that you can use, I don't know, to embed an external form if you want, call to actions, videos. So yes, we can just easily drop here, define size. Yeah, all of the custom fonts that you want to use. You have display as well, text rotation, spacing. It's very customizable. You have like different options for all of the types of elements. Images, of course, you can upload. You can have CTAs. Select the link where you want to redirect to. Campaign goal, if like your goal is to have the clicks or not, report as conversion or not. You have several, also some mobile options as well. Then you have the settings. You can see where you want to display it on your screen. You have some animation options. You have overlays if you want it to display like a background or not. You have close button, for example. Then you can see a teaser if you want to use something that is more minimal, that the user can click or not to display the entire pop-up. What else? Font manager, we can add custom fonts if we want to. We can main page as well, define how what's the size and dimensions, padding, border and shadow. Yeah, all of these options. It's pretty easy to use. You can drag and drop whatever is best. So yes, and then you can also see and customize the teaser. And then as soon as you have finalized your design, you can go to this display rules. Here you find the triggers and targeting, so where you like your pop-up to show. We have exit intent, click on a specific area after scrolling, after seconds of inactivity, and also you have JavaScript events, which can help us to have a more specific and customized targeting for JavaScript events. What else? That's all the triggers I need. You can select who should see the pop-up and how frequently. So you can add conditions here. How many times the same visitor will see it. Visitors who have spent a certain duration on your website or your page. You can link in between OptiMonk's campaigns. So, for example, if a user has seen the pop-up A, they will not see the B. You have visitors returning new traffic sources, countries. You can avoid showing it to a few IP addresses, ad block detection, um, custom rules on pages, exclude visitors that have seen specific pages, cookie segmentation, for example, that in custom variables. So both of them are also very interesting. Um, and of course, then you have some few integrations if you want to use. Through an API, I think there are not so many here right now. And of course, there's analytics integration with the global property as well, so that we can track the how their users are interacting. Then you can see all of your campaigns here. If you were perhaps collecting leads using the form from OptiMonk, they will appear here, but you can also embed um, Engage Networks form, for example, inside a pop-up. Yes, I think that's basically it. You have your code that this will be a custom tag in Tag Manager. And then you have your settings, your personal details, domains. Yeah, that's it.